Hey everyone, it's Caitlin and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Alright, so today's video is going to be me cleaning my room. So I'll be having a bunch of time lapses and just showing you before and afters of my room. It's not a disaster, my room's never really a disaster, but it can certainly use some cleaning up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and find it aesthetically pleasing. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm just going to start off with this whole bookshelf that I have where I just keep some of my random things. Time lapse. Alright, so I finished just organizing, except for that. I finished organizing this section of my room. It obviously doesn't look beautiful because I don't have I don't have decorations or anything. It's just my stuff that's on here. So I'll just show you guys a little tour. I've just got like my school year books, like a Bobby Brown book, Tess and Scott, another book, a little crystal thing that I want to make one day, a origami kit, and then I've just got my, I think I might throw this stuff out, I'm not quite sure yet, but just the boxes of my perfumes. And I've got a selfie stick. And then I've got all my hair stuff, and then over here, I'm in the middle of making this bracelet set. So I still have it all. Here's some of them that I made, a little candle, and then up here, I got my skating picture from 2015. Some wallets that I keep some change in. This is what I got for my birth when I was born. And then all my perfumes. And that's it. Alright, so now I'm just going to be doing my dresser where I get ready in the morning every single day. And we'll just get started with this. I finished cleaning up my dresser and I'll just show you guys that quickly. So down here I've got my scrunchies, my hair ties, and then I keep a lot more hair ties on this little container with my 2 lonely bobby pins. And then I've got a little baby picture and then a little container, and then 2 hair products and another little baby picture. And then up here I've got a skating photo, this little thing that lights up, little angel, and then in here actually I keep all of my bath bombs. So those are fun. I love using these reusable ones because they're, I don't know, I love them. That's all my bath bombs. And then down here I've got 2 other perfumes that are my Bath & Body Works perfume, a little shampoo that I got when I was a child, hairbrushes, and my curling and straightening wand. Alright, so finally I'm just going to clean up this desk over here that has just a lot of crap on it that does not need to be there. Alright, so I cleaned up the entire, like, up here, so I'll just show you guys quickly. So I've got just, like, a lamp up here, and then gum, Halls, and Lifesaver, the hard candies, and then I've just got a fan. I sleep with a fan every single night because I like the noise. It makes me sleep a lot better. And then just my glasses. And I think I'm going to show you guys me cleaning my closet as well, because that is a complete disaster. So let's get to that. It is just a mess and needs to be cleaned out really bad. So let's get right into it. my closet, and I'm actually quite happy with how it turned out. It was a disaster, so I've got it as clean as I can at the moment without throwing out everything in my closet. So I'll just show you guys it quickly. So down here I've just got like stuffies and just like some shoes that I don't even think fit me anymore. And then I've got my grade 8 graduation thing with like all my classmates' pictures on it. And then inside I keep all my schoolwork and marked work and everything. I've got a little spinner for skating. And then over here I've just got like all my backpacks, bags, everything. And then obviously my clothes. And then up here I've just kind of kept all my stuff just together. Over here I keep all my grade 12 work, so it's going to be easy for me to find in university. And then actually I found 3 locks, and one of them even has the code on the back, so I can keep these and use them. Yeah. So before I finish off, I'm just going to quickly vacuum my room and finish the cleaning process. Just fix this. There we go. Alright, so the entire cleaning process is over. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and seeing me clean my room. And my puppy dog has made an entrance. Here he is! Thumbnail time! So, I'm actually quite happy with my progress today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And please remember to subscribe down below. We're bringing this number up, guys. Come on, fast. Let's go, let's go. And like the video if you made it this far, because why not, right? So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!